Decoding medical language, mastering directional prefixes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. In today's session, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: directional prefixes in medical terminology. This is a crucial aspect in understanding complex medical terms, so if you're involved in or interested in the medical field, or simply want to broaden your vocabulary, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into directional prefixes, it's important to understand what a prefix is. A prefix is a set of letters attached to the beginning of a word, changing its meaning. In medical terminology, prefixes often denote the direction, location, time, or number that pertains to the base word. Now, moving on to our core focus: directional prefixes. These play a key role in medical terms, helping to describe where exactly in the body the term refers to, or in which direction something is moving. For example, the prefix sub indicates something beneath or under. Let's take a look at some commonly used directional prefixes in medical terminology. EPI. This prefix means upon or over. An example is epidermis, the outermost layer of the skin. Sub, as we mentioned earlier, sub means under or below. Subcutaneous, referring to something situated or applied under the skin, is a common term using this prefix. Intra. This denotes within or inside. Intravenous, within or entering by way of the veins, uses this prefix. Inter. This prefix signifies between. Interstitial is a term meaning situated in the intervening or interposed space, especially between tissues. To consolidate your learning, try identifying the meaning of some complex medical terms using the prefixes we've discussed. For instance, can you guess what submuscular or epigastric might mean? Take your time and don't worry, it gets easier with practice. That's all for today's session on directional prefixes in medical terminology. We hope this has been an enlightening experience and that you now have a better understanding of how these prefixes help decode complex medical language. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll tackle suffixes in medical terminology. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.